That's awesome, Darth Vader. He's on the naughty list.
Lemonade, grape, and I want this pink lemonade. Here we go.
You got on your hood.
Wolf ears. Big wolf nut. We're going to that tomorrow. Like this one I already have. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, you already have that one.
Tomorrow, I'm so excited. We're staying all day here.
Shovel, shovel, clap, shovel, shovel, clap. Good job, guys. All right, keep going. And shovel, clap, shovel, shovel, clap, shovel, shovel, clap. All right, now.
Gabe, right? Gabe, give me a high five. It's good to see you again. Now, what do you want for Christmas?
Okay.
What kind of Legos do you like? You like Minecraft or probably Star Wars, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured. Okay, and
Darth Vader.
that's awesome, Darth Vader. He's on the naughty list. But don't tell him I said that.
Good dinner.
Can you make the big wolf fly?
Come on. You have to throw it from up here. Oh, so close. Oh, almost 250. $16.24? 54. Okay, that's only 30. The what? The puncher thing, yeah. Anything else?
What is this?
Or is that good enough?
And then you squeeze the black part. Get that. Thanks, Daddy.
Say thank you.
Yay.